Let's exaggerate a bit, making English jokes even funnier. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to have a little fun and dive into a technique often used in humor: exaggeration. Exaggeration is when we make something seem bigger, better, worse, more interesting, or more dramatic than it really is. In jokes, exaggeration can add a twist of surprise and make the punchline much funnier. Let's delve into this exciting topic and understand how exaggeration works in jokes. Exaggeration in jokes is when the story or punchline includes elements that are stretched beyond their usual limits. This could be an overstatement, overdoing an action, or overemphasizing a point of view. The humor is found in the absurdity and surprise of the exaggerated element. Now, let's look at some examples to make this clear. We're going to start with a classic joke. Why don't some people play hide and seek with mountains? Because you always find them peeking. Here, the joke is an exaggeration of how mountains peek or stick out, which makes them bad at hiding. Of course, mountains can't play hide and seek, but the exaggeration makes the joke funny. Let's look at another example. I'm on a seafood diet. I see food, and I eat it. The exaggeration here comes from the misinterpretation of seafood diet as seafood diet. It's funny because the speaker is implying they eat everything they see, which is, of course, an exaggeration. Our final example is a joke about time. Why don't we ever tell secrets around a clock? Because time always tells. The exaggeration here is in personifying time, suggesting that it can tell or reveal secrets. This is an exaggeration of the phrase, time will tell, and the surprise of that exaggeration is what makes the joke amusing. Now it's your turn to try. Think of an everyday situation or a common phrase. How can you exaggerate an element of it to create a joke? Remember, exaggeration is all about overstatement, overdoing, or overemphasizing something beyond its usual limits. Thank you for joining us today in exploring how exaggeration can make jokes even funnier. We hope you've enjoyed the examples and are eager to try crafting your own exaggerated jokes. Keep practicing, keep laughing, and remember, in humor, sometimes it's good to stretch the truth a bit. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!